Master the pronunciation of famous business and brand names. Think you're saying Hermès, Nike, Porsche, or IKEA the right way? Spoiler alert, many people don't. Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's break down these tricky pronunciations so you can say them like a pro and impress everyone with your linguistic accuracy. Hermès is not pronounced Hermès. The correct way? Say Hermès with a soft, smooth finish. It's French, so let the sound flow naturally. Try repeating it a few times out loud. Practice makes perfect. This global brand often gets mispronounced as Nike or Nike. The right answer? It's Nike, pronounced with two clear syllables, Nike. That final E packs a punch. Keep this in mind next time you lace up your sneakers. Calling this luxury car Porsche. Not so fast. The German brand is pronounced Porsche, with an extra emphasis on the A at the end. Treat each syllable with care to sound like a true enthusiast. You might say IKEA, but it's actually pronounced the Swedish way, IKEA. Focus on switching up the word stress, and you'll nail it in no time. Now it's your turn to master these iconic names. Practice them aloud, share this video with a fellow language learner, and subscribe for more helpful pronunciation tips. Let's make your language learning journey fun, fluent, and flawless, one word at a time.